Here in the video, we are going to talk about Cookie Run Kingdom error code 100,026. The error reads, failed to log in, please try again. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to log into their account, especially on a new device or after installing a new update. Many users shared that they received this error while logging in with their Google account or after being logged out unexpectedly. According to our research, this error is related to login issues. It may come due to account authentication problems, password bugs, or issues with the login method being used. The first thing we suggest is to restart your gaming device. Once restarted, open the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try changing the password for your Cookie Run Kingdom account in case it was wrong or bugged. Then try logging in again and check for the error. If the error still continues, then download one of the games such as Cookie Run, Tower of Adventures, or Cookie Run, Witch's Castle. Then log in using the same Google account you use for Cookie Run Kingdom. Then go to Settings, then select Info or Account, then select My DevPlay and set a DevPlay password. After that, open Cookie Run Kingdom, then tap Sign in with email and log in using the same DevPlay email and password. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then try making a Facebook account using the same email you used for your DevSys account. Once done, try logging in through Facebook and check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try logging in on a different device and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest contacting the game support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.